Civil paragraph 100 word per minute speed. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Court, Miajan. Ready? Start. The respondent bank has been created under the Agricultural Development Bank Ordinance, 1961, which has been declared a corporate body, therefore, it is a juristic person, full stop. According to preamble and section 16 of the ordinance, the main function of the bank was to provide financial assistance in the form of loan to agriculturists, obviously from the resources placed in the disposal of the bank by the state, full stop. It is actually the function of the state which the state is performing through the bank, therefore, there can be hardly any doubt, and the learned counsel for the respondent did not question the correctness of the same, that the bank, being a statutory body, was a person performing functions in connection with the affairs of the federation, full stop. The financial assistance as regards foreign currency loan was to be given from the resources provided to the Federation of Pakistan by Asian Development Bank, which was placed at the disposal of the bank for providing financial assistance to different agriculturists, full stop. It is implicit in the ordinance itself that the bank was bound in the matter of grant of financial assistance by the provisions of the ordinance and the rules framed under the said ordinance, full stop. Among others, Rule 11 of the rules framed under the ordinance provides as to in what manner, against what kinds of securities such financial assistance loan was to be given by the bank, full stop. If the provisions of the ordinance are read with the rules framed thereunder, I feel no hesitation in holding that in the matter of grant of financial assistance, the bank has got no freedom in the settlement of terms and conditions on which the same was to be given, and was bound to follow the same, full stop. One of the ingredients of a contract and contractual obligations arising therefrom, and the relationship of the two parties under a contract, is that both the parties must have freedom of settlement of terms and conditions of the contract, to settle the consideration, the right to revoke the same in certain circumstances, which necessary ingredients are not available in this case, full stop. The bank, as already observed, was performing the functions of the state, and the resources of the state placed at the disposal of the bank were to be utilized for granting financial assistance to various persons, therefore, the sanction accorded by the bank in hand for providing financial assistance to the, full stop.